Oh my god. Zen. This is such a mess. Oh, ow. Okay, we's good. The bike and me. I'm probably the worst person to even try bike. Hey. The cycling. So we're going to give Cara her bike back. It's gonna be fun. Ah, fresh air. Decided that I want to get myself a bike. Wow. So much fun. Sauna. Let's just appreciate for 1 second
the outfit game.
The outfit game.
Oh, you need to get my socks.
Yes, sister. Hello.
From top down. Now you need to go to shoes. Oh wow, I just want to get.
We're going for a sauna.
Yeah.
Here we go. Let's go. Wait. Oh yeah.
Because you can't see shit. I was gonna say because you can't see anything.
No throwing shade.
Probably shouldn't be driving in this. Go! 3!
Island pop-up sauna. We're about to go here. Monday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday.
It's only $10, mate.
And $10. Where do we pay? Woo! Yes! Woo! You can? Yeah. Do you want to sit here for a bit longer or do you want to do that first?
Oh, yeah. Should we do it first?
Do it right now.
Yeah, because then we can wait too.
Okay, okay.
So there's like no air in here and it's really hard to breathe.
And we just like,
We just
ran and swam.
That's racy in nostrils.
I forgot that it was salt water.
Oh wow.
I forgot that we were jumping in the ocean.
I didn't even think about that.